What's sorry for the day now? Catch you.
I'm a patch young boy. Empire Bona. Let's
Mama, can't come away.
But I'm right there.
Oh, so the new news be a morning. I saw in sense some 3 years ago. Say I all night. Anybody on bar sorry no be say. On bar all night no. You like us of mommy, Reverend Mama Pat, Aji or Musica. Which and that's more in a way because I saw be able to be a Jessica Ramboa. On go for our home for the. It's no a Cassatra was say. Nyamijuman went to us on it here. Who never found the Edrin, Banyamin and Yadrin. And it's your bomb pay us, I say, be very fine. It's young come on. I was muddy at monitor.
How dear?
Oh,
around Hoy.
Hammer, who's there? Who no dear, make us say a hard journey. By a cousin, Yamjum, dear, no ma. Because Paul is the last year to Fias Yamjumaya. Yes, Christo, you crucify no Yamjumaya. A deep over Brabasa, Sisua. Ya punish one through imprisonment and ebi bebraba president was assist so ya punish one through imprisonment enti bia after we no insira kese bi enam kwaso bana we na ide aba enti aba say dey hard but any news
asori because wa koso ana
asori koso nyameduma na yeguso ye some da so yesofu ono so da so yesofu maame enti means say what you say enti the fact say all call and as be 15 years imprisonment no it's not anything news. Any news? Aye.
Wakumunipa na kebia ya chunasu. And I say be a lead gang. I'm a makoya robbery bin the chunasu and can hard me. Where they are sorry no way. And a GDH has been my plants in the power. I don't say any nation.
Yes.
Any panel Jimmy Simpson, the video about to court. Should I baby who also quite sorry. Yabusa, and young Ben to went to me on to be. And pay prayer points went to me and Kabi. Yamiasa by went to me and maybe. None in the edge and the judges say you're going to a fiasco. Say music and I'm a shabo. Say my musica nibi. Now say my enemy Bosch as well. It be to a fiasco 15 years. In the past, what Jimmy Simpson 500 cities. And so also training 15 years. Who say my men and home about time. And nothing they be a person a trainer. So, Mrao, the family council. Now you ask them, so I can't my quarter from Swati.
Amen. Amen.
Okay, quick one. Mijina, Accra Circuit Court, Court 10. Na, Madam, announce Judge Evelyn Asamoah train people. Then I can say, and Agradaa Court, a jailino. And England say Bekaya 2022. And why all night to be? I was not sorry. And I'm so mad. Any people babon timber can say Agradaa Jijo Musica, and I'm so mad. Police for Ebeche Agradaa. Ebeche Agradaa Chino. One more at the Neko quarter, a 2022. A seminal Muguso ID. Ghana for Bekaya, Sambianimu, and Agradaa, one more every Monday no, or demo bear say 1 month. Na and which you know, I'm for being say a seminal, a cra, a tro, a cha, and ne, and a court to pass it now. What trans na. Wadi asemono na yaka say ansa na court kwa e dey sentence no ebe ma no o kire say wo fa no hospital na mo ko any test and we say wanyemu isan say emra no e kan pefe say oba na say oba sentence oba na say oba abebua na asemo a e wo so hu so wanyemu na so wanyemu ansa enti wo ko test ne ba ye no ebeto dia se ni nsem bia eni ba bia enti court sa betra asem no so na wo mo ka asem na mu no na ne lawyer ye Richard Bafo apia Bafo esore ye na okasa isan se ansana court anase judge ebema aye the sentence no I was say lawyer ekasa anase onipa no a asem fa ne ho no okasa na sema lawyer no edi kan say I was say judge no ehwe na o temper justice with mercy ne nyina ne say ko hu ne mobo o de nema bi tutu bi a kire say Agradaa ye o maame a wo ema pore enum a obaako a odi kan akra na so panin no 24 years ayekasa yi wono so esua emra na se womo sentence no into custody a ebe ha adwen enti nkebe ya enka court ema no non custodial sentence no se yebe sentence no so emfa na kotu afiase ebi ebe ka so nko adwuma bi ana ase nkebe fine no o kan ni nyina achi no so aka se Agradaa wo akwara ketwa awadi mfinhia be se miensa awo ya akwara wo ba na nka won consider eno achi no na court lawyer no san kan bi o kire se e wo se court no san hweza se maami ya ka na Agradaa yi oyo bi ono so kita so de kese na nkofo bebre e wo na se a enipa bebre nso nam no so edidi enti enka obe fine no I friend non custodial sentence non custodial sentence bu vanjame na utimize aha ayemanyamanya pa ugina court ha kra amon person be life no na enti ye ka say de court eti ni trase judge no lawyer no ewie ne de no na ne lawyer ba ko ka ne ho so de kakra be toaso na no de toaso no nyina ne say ne a lawyer edi ka ka ye no ano mo so da so egina so se nka wo mo hwe na nka won fa ne ma do to akwam no hu eye Agradaa mobo eno achi na prosecution enso sorry ye me kire Oma moboko adu no omo so kan say maami na ikasa ne nyam no lawyer ne kan say maami Agradaa yo bi a wonye bone da anase ye be kan say first time offender no we ni edi kan a wayam funso bi afei asem ne ba ye kra no maami Agradaa nu ho papa enti court hwe say ne ma we nyina na nka wo hu ne mobo na okasa wie ye no na prosecution enso sorry ye a ono so ya ase say o ba be kasa ono so kire say maami Agradaa yi oyobi anye ne na wa yes aboni we bi sa aboni we no 2021 oyebi ma yes ye fine no a no so wantumi antui a enka obekodam abosome nkron eno na ye charatanic material a na woyi e wo TV so na court gina so a wo de fine no 10,000 Ghana cedis ode ni nyina to bia no kire court say yen so de na no keke na eka prosecution no e wo krata a kire say sa de na mo ka no na so ye first time offender na yen no kre ode ni nyina atu bia eno achi no kan say ohwe maami Agradaa ne ye a wo ye e wo ma Ghana mu a wo yanhwe ye ama yan sentence no into prison custody ama na me ye de sua de ama wo no ene wo man emu nipa nyina a ebe ha adwen papa esan say prosecution kra kan say enya de wo hunu hu bia e wo maami Agradaa ene ye hu ne senti wono de woni eye prosiform ye prosecutors no ebe ka say wo mo angel no ana so mo sentences no ma sentences so munya den se ne be ya betumi aya esua de e de ama nipa bia ne ono Agradaa no owie ye no na court judge siri trase de ne pen si ho tro ne krata na ne tete nyina ne se wo kan ne nyina bo mu no na obe kire se o man mu emre ba bia ne ho e kire se enepe na akodi bone a na wo se ye gya wo na emu no wo ne ye mpo no etumi kire wo se wo no wo hu ne se ewura no nche da nye obi a wanu no ho afei o gina mra kronkron so na wo de abulufo na wo de natum wo kire se saa bone na ye frɛ no false pretense no se wo ho ba se mu a eye se ye timi do utum mfinhia aduonu enum 25 years no eye court no anu akasa ne discretion se obeto so ama na so emre mo ntimi nte so kra ani senti no ni odema na ne se onkoda mu mfie porepore dunum 15 years enti na ye ba court na ne kosi ye no enti ye kasa idie maami Agradaa asem kese na atom na ye mu bi ni enim se betumi akọ ne se ba ni enim se ebetumi akọ 15 years sa abeye ade a eye bi mu de ebi nso ayebusa ne mpo ye se ntwerofo kra ba ha me one of the people Agradaa some kapa but I wasn't too happy say ye hand over the 15 years na man but be ne den sa na mra e ka no enti bibie ne ho a obetumi aye e wo saa kwa no so nti ye ka say approach for eguso e wo no ho amohwe car aye ready wo hwe hasese ya police car aye ready e na esi ho no a wo no ehwe kwan say Agradaa beba na wabetre mu no mde nako enti ye ka say sene emra no che no enya de ekwa do fa ofie amwaka so mbibi da ha me fa nkoto yie da bi ente sa na amafo from reactions emra wo hwe court ha and centrofo ni gina ho obi aye ready say obehwe say Agradaa eba na wo mo atwa no enti sa na te e wo ha I am miss reactions utimi say ebi aye happy ebi nso so enye too happy and of course I should admit that I am one of the people Agradaa answer me kapa but I wasn't expecting 15 years for her made the names to say ga court no and sentence no kran ko man be 3 months and 6 months bi na omfanya adesua de na nso so se ne emra ne ka no enye wadwen na aba be kire wo mra ho emra ye nkire ya adwen wo ho esan se be be emra wo no emra na ne de ka ho asem enti court nso so ahwe se won come 15 years ampan some say ba ahwe ya na court be ka se na se na lawyer for e be ka so me ya appeal enti se appeal ne be ba we are yet to see if the lawyers will make an appeal say ebetumi better so the amana na say be but as it stands now Nana Agradaa has been sentenced into prison custody for 15 good years na nyina de na say oyi charatanic materials ewo radio so TV so wo de law nkofo de dada nkofo na fezu agin nkofo esika na omade so be ye bibia ma wo enti ene nam so a ba ne say na wohwemu a prosecution so ehun se asem no se ne na ekono nipa na mo ye victims no mo doso na nso so utie mu a ebi enso so eja akiredi na nso so ade ana prosecution ehia any evidence nto nya ba komienu among the number of people no mo ye victims no pa emra ebetumi aka ho asem frenchim enti na saa na ekosiye ewo eye Accra Circuit Court ebra na otimbuo ni maame Evelyn Asamoah eti adwemu no enti na saa na akakoba no we are live here ewo eye Accra Circuit Court enti courtroom 10 eho na sene no e so na wo hwe the facial expression of Agradaa of course onipa bia na some to you wouldn't be happy so we don't say nanka won sresre of course na wo hwe nanimu a na wo say wa yemre pa ni kuru Asiama not ne nchen pe na wono so no aboto papa anya sam ketu akra na waboto pa na waboto enti sana akwakoba no betumi a share page no sisi ya de amaye enti wo so share page no na enkoma akoso no wo so ehun se ne eko e wa ha
kakra be ka se court na kasa na so sunya dia ne court no e ya adwen ne nyina ne se bra prosecution e wie won case no ye kire judge ne se wo can 4 and can 5 no evidence be any record so a kire se maame no aye de pese kire no in a court no judgment no wagye atum se can 4 and can 5 no evidence be any it was acquitting no discharging it means at the time na really said there was a case to answer and ye me a defense na evidence be any records ye gidi kire se nema bi wo evidence ni maka judge nje ni hwe ya e bi akwa imagine ya ugina ya no but be as it mean wakasa and we need to trigger the necessary processes to get in there out and nema pio why bit me say we a circuit court the decision ba there was superior court and they can say Thursday it's na me aduma Monday be trigger the necessary processes no ye ya dwen ye say enye de maame na ye binti and ya jele nemu Agradaa wo ye eni sabi na no ye din social media eni ko fo bi pa empe na asem ni nyina ka ho bi na nka ya bono so bo say sabi wabu bi afa so 540 cities and who also trained say we go jail for 15 years and clearly the punishment is too excessive and we believe that she's been jailed because of who she is and not what she did and we will trigger the necessary process. We can assure you of that.
So I repeat, media, be careful and exercise some circumspection in your reportage. So much thanks to you people.
Yo, na some radio, you share more. It has so quota. Ema me Agradaa fans ni bi oma boto pra bebre aboto boto e wo court hanom. It is am radio, you was secret court yɛgu so a yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛ maame Agradaa bi pie de aba nti wo pie mu circuit court hanom a yɛgyeri maame Agradaa no obi a kyerɛkyerɛ no madwene nti no la like I said deɛ ɛkɔ so wɔ ahanom no yes.
Hey, let me show you. It's okay. It's okay. All night. All night. Which anything you bomb fire server, they say we are fine. In Shankamo, I tell you, monitor. How dear? Oh, around Hoy, and Hammy, who's that? Who never dear, make us say a hard. I can't soon be a normal. Okay, because Paul is the last year to Fias Yamjumaya. Yes, you crucified Yamjumaya. A deep over Brabasa sees what. You punish them through imprisonment, and maybe the president was assist you punish them through imprisonment. And after we know, in Slack Sebi and Castle Banner, we neither Abba. It's Abba said they have but any news. I saw because I saw the question, Yamiduani, okay, also as of Mammy. And Mrs. Safi, what I say. And the father all call and as we are 50 years imprisonment, it's not anything news. Any news. Aye, Okumipana KBA Yachunas. As I said, you're a little gang. I'm a Makoya robbery being a Tunas working hard. Where they are sorry no way. And I educate has been my plants in the power. I don't say any nation. Yes, in the fantasy, I do myself, the video about to court. She let baby who well, also quite sorry. Yabusa, and young Ben that we went to me on to be, and pay prayer points went to me and Kabi. Yamiasa may buy one to me and maybe. Then in the edge, and the other say, you're going to go to a fiasco. Say, Music and I'm a shepherd. So my music and that's a enemy bush as well. It will 15 years. In the past, about himself, 500 years. As well as training 15 years. Who say my men and a bad time. And it's in be a person at Trainer. That's so. Now, the family council. Now, you ask them, okay.
Okay, so the court has spoken.
Obviously, not what you were looking for.
Yes. Court Nakasa. The court has spoken. But we disagree with everything the court said. But in spite of our disagreement, this is what it is. We will trigger processes to getting her out. You see, when prosecution closed this case, we made it very clear that there are some charges which no evidence were led. The court disagreed with us, but in today's judgment, she acquitted and discharged her of count 4 and count 5, saying no evidence was led during the trial. So if no evidence was led during the trial, what basis do you order us to open our defense in the first place? So the fact that the court acquitted and discharged her on count 4 and count 5, on grounds that no evidence was led, is an indicator of the fact that the court itself agreed with us that it erred when it asked us to open our defense in respect of count 4 and count 5. With respect of count 1 to count 3, we are very clear in our mind that there are several other pieces of evidence on record. If considerations were given to them, it would not have come to the conclusions that the court came. We will trigger processes on Monday And we believe that the sentence of 15 years is just excessive.
It's too excessive.
It's too excessive.
Yes.
Even the amount involved is just 540 Ghana cedis. How can you be alleged you have defrauded somebody for 540 cedis and then be convicted for 15 years? I'm very clear in my mind that Agradaa has been jailed just because of who she is and not because of what she is alleged to have. You get the point?
As so, aren't you concerned with the manner in which the matter is moving, especially so because the court also made the point that she never showed?
That's an observation made by the court. And we have said that we disagree. Everything from the one to the lady has always appeared before, not for once that she said she not. We believe that these sentences are passed just to appease the public because of probably who she is. But if it's about the case, the evidence, and the law, that we will say. In fact, if you say you are acquitting and discharging her of count 4 and 5 on the basis that no evidence was led, then the question is, at the time that you ordered her to open her defense, clearly there's an error. So we believe that even if, how can you convict somebody for 15 years on some of these offenses? So we believe that the fact that you also ordered us to open our defense when you were very clear in your mind that there was no evidence on record, it's an indication of a premeditated mind. So we take steps to have all those things.
Yeah, let me also add that you, the media people, should also exercise some level of circumspection in your reportage so that it doesn't seem like she's in jail because she has done something very serious. The judgment we only see it as a means of appeasing what the public is saying. But at the end of the day, like I have said, we will initiate processes